Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie popsicle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun Halloween video today. Now to start off with our zombie popsicle, let's begin right here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come straight up, and then I'm going to start to curve it right here. Next, I'm going to make some little bumpy lines right here. I'll do 3 of them. Then I'm going to curve this across and come down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down in kind of like a little wavy pattern. Now you can do this however you want to, but you just want to make sure these are all different sizes. Next, I'm going to make lines going to come down, and you can see I started in just a little bit. I'm going to curve it over, and then we're going to go up here. And once again, you can see I started in just a little bit, so it kind of looks like this icing is kind of coming off a little bit. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and another line that comes down. And we're going to make this look like a bone, so I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve out and then in. And we'll do another one here. I'm just going to curve out, and then we're going to bring it into here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines like this. And then I'm going to add a couple little curly lines in here just to make it look like it's got a brain. So we're just going to make these little curly lines in there. Next, let's work on the face. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Now underneath this, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then I'm going to bring it up here. I'll do that same thing here. I'm going to go out and then bring it up. And in one of these eyes, I'm just going to add a little X shape. Now right across here, I'm going to make a little line. And then I'm going to make lines going to come down and then up. I'll add a few little teeth. And then we'll make a little wiggly line coming down here, so it looks like he's drooling. Then I'm going to make a little line in here for the tongue. And we'll go ahead and just color this part in of the mouth. Now, I'm going to add a few little extra details. I'm going to add a little bit of like a wavy line up here, and we'll also do another little wavy line right over here. I'm also going to make a little hashtag shape here, so I'll do 2 lines here, and then 2 lines right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little zombie popsicle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.